Welcome back to our new fans. Today's topic is how to add fingerprint in vivo phone. Guys, you want to add and guys you want to set two fingerprint in vivo phone. So guys you can set in this video guys. I will tell you how to set it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're in my channel and you're watching my video first time. So first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys now let's start video. First of all open your phone setting. Then guys click on security. Click on fingerprint guys, do your pattern and guys you can see this add fingerprint. So guys we will add, start putting guys. Now guys we will use our this thumb, so I touch it. Guys you can see done option, so done. And guys let's check. So your friends, you have understood how to add fingerprint in your phone guys. You can see guys I can open my phone with my this finger and thumb. Guys you can see first guys thumb and guys second you can see. So I hope friends you have understood how to use fingerprint lock setting in vivo phone and guys how to add fingerprint in vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.